How Superpowers Work. A deep dive with Deadpool. It was a sunny afternoon in Hollywood when a hopeful director made his way to the house of a new client. But right in front of the door, yep, blood. And the trail led right inside the house. Apparently, the last director wasn't great at negotiating. But hey, this one? He's different. Inside, wearing red and holding a gun, sat our dear red-suited client, me, Deadpool. A lot of directors have tried to make a film about my life. One worse than the other. Boring, dumb, cliché-filled crap. Alright, then, let's see what you've got up your sleeve, Mr. Director. You want to understand my worldview? No? Thought so. Let's jump into my life story. I was a good-looking kid with blonde hair and a happy-go-lucky dad. We used to play knock-knock at the door for fun. But one day, my dad walked out that door and never came back. Game over. After he left, my mom spiraled into depression and racked up a mountain of debt. I didn't want to be just another burden, so I ran away. As I got older, I did what any broke, desperate American teenager would do. I joined the army. Wade Wilson was a badass soldier, a rebel who handed out justice with his fists. Along the way, I met this girl, an angel, but happiness didn't last. When the cancer test came back positive, it was like the whole world collapsed on me. Not wanting to ruin my angel's life too, I left. Hit the road, got into bar fights, drank a lot. I was stage 4, lungs, liver, prostate, brain. So, yeah, time wasn't exactly on my side. Then I heard about a program. Volunteered for human experimentation. Thought maybe, just maybe, I'd get another shot at life. Too bad it went horribly wrong. The pain was unbearable. I lost my hair. My skin got messed up like grilled hamburger meat. The doctors tried to kill me, repeatedly, but my body kept healing, fast. No matter what they did, I bounced back. So they locked me up with the rest of the failed experiments. I went through hell, struggled with my new appearance. But let's be real, my story was never gonna end in a cage. So I did the obvious. Killed all the guards, broke out, sharpened my fighting skills, grabbed 2 swords, slapped on a red mask, and boom, Deadpool was born. The costume design? Inspired by the children's book section. Ha! And scene. So now you know how Deadpool came to be, and how I got my powers. But let's dig deeper. How exactly does this insane healing factor work? Time for a science class. Buckle up. So Wade Wilson had stage 3 or 4 cancer, lungs, liver, prostate, and brain. He joined the Weapon X project, the same one that gave Wolverine his mutant abilities. Wade was Project 11 after Logan. The goal? Bond Wolverine's regenerative powers to Wade's DNA. Technically it worked, but with one major difference. See, Logan's healing is fueled by healthy, active human cells. Every time he gets hurt, those cells kick in and replace the damaged ones instantly. Deadpool? Not the same.
Why?
Because Deadpool has cancer. After the experiment, all of Wade's cells became cancerous. The guy's a walking tumor. Or, as he puts it, a cancer hamburger. So, what's the connection between cancer and regeneration? Unlike Logan, whose cells are alive and well, Deadpool's cells are always damaged. And they keep getting replaced over and over by more damaged cancerous cells. It's like he's constantly dying and regenerating at the same time. That's why his skin never heals. Old dead cells are replaced with slightly newer dead ones. Now, let's get a little deeper. Meet the axolotl, a cute little amphibian with an insane power, regeneration. It can regrow everything, even parts of its brain.
How?
It has 2 types of cells, proto-oncogenes, which trigger cell division, and tumor suppressor genes, which keep that division in check. Like a car, gas pedal and brake. When a body part is damaged, the gas gets pushed, cells divide and rebuild. Once it's healed, the brakes kick in and stop more cells from forming. But if the brakes fail, that's cancer. The gas keeps going full speed. The proto-oncogenes mutate into oncogenes, out-of-control cell growth. Sound familiar?
Yep.
That's Deadpool. He's like an axolotl with broken brakes, but somehow, he can control the speed of his cell division. Unlike us, Deadpool can manage his regenerative engine. That's why he doesn't die. But we do. His healing is so strong, he can regenerate from a single drop of blood. No joke. One day, maybe humans will unlock this secret and figure out how to regenerate like Deadpool. But for now, let's look at some more powers.